Look, that they come there, because Delhi, the end, first of June have to be Vienna. And Germany. Hungary, I will do the next one of you boys. 자수만 믹서했어. 살짝. 사들이 트라이 있잖아. 계란을 좀 잘 나왔어.
Nada, y Marmina.
Sí, lo.
Tawa que más.
Ah,
Tawa.
trabaja.
Yeah. अच्छा दो चार दो में सोचा तो रहा
네.
कौन जो
그거 봐라.
हाँ मैं क्या हुआ
네.
그거는 뭐 이건 해긴 거좀 또
pagi larang dino na siya. Pagi dino na daw kasi dia sampai.
보셔라 공주 저 이제 건지 Then he today is who sponsored this then it's wonderful. Yeah, it's never had like this teaching.
Bhutan is every act of Bhutan, whatever they do very smart. I also saw because during 2005, I was also there. There is a place called Hasima, very close to the Jaigaon. Jaigaon and Phuntsogring are one in the cell. Inside Bhutan, it is Phuntsogring. Just outside of the gate, it is Jaigaon. So I was there for almost 1.5 years. that time there were a lot of these Assamese terrorists. They were taking shelter in the forest of Bhutan across the border. So an operation to just find them out, they was carried out. They was taken from Bhutan side. They was commanded by King Jamshid.
Ajmer Singh. Other I discovered young.
Very few, very rare to rescue all these diseases together.
Yeah, yeah.
Very rare.
Yeah, yeah. Now that also there's the texts, they have very important teaching, there's a lot of obstacle. You need a country, a Buddhist country, that will protect the break.
Oh.
So then actually I asked the Buddhist to give to Ladakh.
Okay.
And he said he must come.
Oh.
So he arranged everything. So many people come. Every day is the sponsor. Oh, it's like party. Those big businesses, they bring the all food. Order lunch, order water.
Oh.
This is big. All kinds of food. Then government also involved in the sea, whatever. And then that is principally palace. So palace is long, very nice. Every evening then the prisoner cleaning, sweeping, cleaning up all the guns. Early morning, then they come the fire truck. Okay. Spread the water everywhere.
Wow.
The long, right?
Wow.
So it's always fresh.
Great.
Right? Then sometimes the big crowd initiation, people fishing together, the police doing the dogs, you know, other situations, imagine it. And then the teaching time, keep the rooms. One of our Tongmis, big man, he's the retired jailer, at army. With something fighting, then you have to, how many hours you have to prostration, punishment.
Very like that,
Yeah.
top.
Yeah.
Top.
Yeah, yeah. Then he keep the exact time.
Okay.
And the lunch time, then he come to Toronto, we can